Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix if your Windows 11 taskbar is missing or your taskbar is disappear from your screen. So at that time you can try the easy and simple solution to fix your issue. So let's get started. So when you are facing this type of problem, first you need to restart your file explorer. To restart your file explorer, you need to open the task manager. To open the task manager, use the shortcut key, hold Ctrl key button, shift key button and then press escape from your keyboard. Now here you need to search Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is here, just right click on it and here you can get the option restart. Just click on restart, okay, and then close your task manager. Now let's see it will fix your issue or not. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Open your Windows settings. You can use the shortcut key to open the Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard. It will open the settings. In the settings, go to personalization. In the personalization, in the right panel, scroll down and find out taskbar and open it, okay, and then scroll down. Here you can get the option taskbar behavior. Just extend this. Here you can get the option automatically hide the taskbar. Just you need to uncheck this box, okay, and then close the settings. Now it will show the taskbar on your PC. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you can try the next method. Now you need to open the command prompt in as administrator mode like this. Here you need to enter one command sfc /scan now and then press enter from your keyboard. It will start the scanning process, so it will take some time to complete that process. Don't close the command prompt. After the process was completed, at that time you can close the command prompt. Hopefully this will help you to fix your issue. Still, in case you are facing same type of problem, now you need to update your PC. To update your PC, once again you need to open the settings and then go to Windows Update, and here you need to click on check for updates and simply update your PC. After updating, it will fix your problem 100%. So these are the easy and simple solution to fix this issue. So comment down below which option, which method was work with you. If you like our video, please don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.